Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to do the scattered shells stitch pattern, like shells on a beach. So to get started, you will need to know how to do a single crochet and a double crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do those stitches. So to get started, you want to do multiples of 12 plus 1. For this video, I'm going to do a quick 12 chains plus 1 for a total of 13. Once you have your chains, you want to do 7 chains. And in the 8th chain from the hook, you want to work a single crochet. Followed by chaining 5, skipping 3, and doing a single crochet. Again, we'll chain 5, skip 3, and work a single crochet in the 4th stitch, chain 5, skip 3, and work a single crochet. Now the repeat for this pattern will be rows 2 through 5. So once we have our foundation row of row 1 done, let's begin. We're going to chain 6, and we're going to work a single crochet in the first chain 5 space, followed by working 5 double crochets in the single crochet space from the row before. Then working a single crochet again in the next chain 5 space. We're going to chain 5, work a single crochet in the next chain 5 space. We're going to work 5 double crochets in the single crochet space from the row below. And then we'll end the row with a single crochet in that chain 7 space from the beginning. There we have it, row 2. So row 3 is going to be a little bit simpler. We are going to chain 6. We're going to work a single crochet in the middle of that chain of that double crochet cluster from before. We're going to chain 5, single crochet in the chain 5 space from below, chain 5, single crochet in the middle of the 5 double crochets, chain 5, and then we're going to work a single crochet in the chain space from the previous row. So row 4, we're going to chain 3, and we're going to work 3 double crochets in that single crochet space. Followed by a single crochet in the chain 5 space, chaining 5, working a single crochet in the chain 5 space, working 5 double crochets in the single crochet space from the previous row, working a single crochet in the next chain 5 space, chaining 5, and then single crocheting in the chain 5 space at the end of the row. All right, row 5, we are going to chain 6. We are going to single crochet in the chain 5 space, followed by chaining 5, single crocheting in the 5 double crochet space, chaining 5, single crocheting in the chain 5 space, and chaining 5, and ending with a single crochet at the end of the row. And there you have it. That's how you do the scattered shells stitch pattern. As you build it, it'll start looking even better. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.